you're on set, you're shooting the scene. It's not really me thinking. I will not trouble myself by thinking like Mrinal, who's a straight guy, you know, and how can I kiss a guy? I cannot trouble myself as an actor. वैसी चीजें नहीं होनी चाहिए. बाकी कहानी जिनको कहानी बनानी है, फिल्म बनानी है, उन लोगों को लिबर्टी होनी चाहिए कि रिस्पॉन्सिबली if they're set out to tell something, so they should have the liberty to show and say what they want. I skydived a few months back and it was amazing. So these days I'm skating, like rollerblading. It's fun. I just like outdoors. I just like sport. I am Ronaldo and you're watching me on E-Times.
Hi, this is Amina Sheikh, and with me today I have Mrinal Dutt, who's worked in television, he's worked in films and all, and he's made a career in Bollywood and in the TV world. Welcoming on E-Times. Hi, Mrinal, how is it going for you?
I'm very good. Thank you, Samina. Thank you for having me.
And how's the work going for you during this, pandemic?
It's good. I mean, I've been fortunate enough to keep working during the pandemic, and it's not been bad. It's been pretty good. I am also going to start something very soon. So it's been, things have been pretty, everything has been pretty generous. So it's nice.
Your role in his story was praised a lot and people loved it a lot. So tell us something about it. How was your experience of working on it?
It was great. I think I was fortunate enough to get a part like this, and it has received a lot of love. It feels great. I had a great time working with the team, with the makers of it, and it was just one of those very smooth shoots. Like we finished very quickly, almost like in a month, 40 days. We wrapped it up, and it was amazing. I feel we were set out to tell uh, an honest story, and we were just trying to be true to the story and what we're trying to say, and it feels great when it reaches people, and it's been received well. So yes, feels all good.
That's nice to hear, Mrinal. But coming in this industry, what hardships have you suffered and what have you gone through? Would you elaborate on that?
I mean, everybody has different kind of hardships. It's very subjective. Um, from everything, from not knowing anybody in the city to getting little work, whatever you can in your capacity, and um, money, everything. Fortunately, I had support from home, but money was limited, and the thing was to do the kind of work I want to do. So that narrows down, your the narrows down things for you, from what you can choose. So I was pretty picky. I mean, I always tried to get something which excited me to begin with. So usme thoda sa, you compromise on other things also. But yeah, it's been a gradual progress, I would say, rather than the struggles. वो हर किसी को करने पड़ते हैं. आप एक नए शहर में नया काम करने के लिए जाते हैं, तो आपको वो सारी चीज़ों की तकलीफ और वो सारी चीज़ें फेस करनी पड़ेंगी. May that be meeting casting directors, from getting called to audition, and from there on getting different parts, and then getting more parts, the kind of parts you want. So it's a journey in itself. So I never saw it as a struggle, because I really enjoy it, and I always felt fortunate enough to be able to act and do what I love to do.
Even your role in Khwabo Ke Parinde has been appreciated, and I would you of course that I mean, it's not like complete appreciation, but there were certain feedback which was given on that, it's not that great also, and some people really liked it. So what do you have to say on that?
See, that is that show targeted a different kind of audience, different set of people, a younger audience would relate to it. I had an amazing experience shooting that also. जैसे हमने shoot किया, it was an independent project to begin with, and all of those things we went through together during the filming of that series in Australia. It was amazing, and I think वो जो कहानी बताने की कोशिश कर रहे थे उसमें, I think it in its capacity um, felt good. After everything came together, it did. So it's been mixed. Yes, people have really liked it also, and yeah, it's mostly been positive.
You also said, like, in your initial days, ad films actually helped you to make a career and, like, have
Hmm.
your earnings over here. So,
Hmm.
like, coming from a different, city and, like, trying to, be here in Mumbai, is that a very difficult journey altogether as an actor? What are your,
Uh, Again, as I said, you uh, depends on how difficult you make it for yourself. The idea is to enjoy and do what you want to do and keep inspiring yourself. Find one way or another and keep at it. So उस समय पहले, before the web world came in, it was either television or films. So it was very restricted. If you don't get the kind of project you want to do, you आपके पास television है या तो करने के लिए, या वो कुछ mainstream films हैं which are sometimes out of your reach. So there's never a medium to tell stories and get a part to get different good parts to play where story is the most important thing. So that's what's happened with digital media. So before that, ads used to be something one makes their money out of. You know, uh, I was fortunate. I used to do a lot of ads. I still do, and yeah, that was one way to secure your finances in Bombay while you're choosing the kind of stuff you want to do.
That's nice. But as you spoke about, casting couch, many a times, a lot of people, like, get misused during this process and all. And, while casting, not casting couch, but casting, as you said about, but, when casting couch takes place and all, a lot of people, face a lot of harassment and all. What are your thoughts on that?
I fortunately have not faced anything like this,
Mm.
but then there are these kind of people you have to be wary of. you know in every industry, I'm sure there are going to be that bad section which is trying to exploit people and there to just exploit and take advantage. So you just got to be careful of them and be quick on to spot. You just get better with understanding ki who is legit and who's doing actual work and what kind of people actually do work, and what kind of people you should pursue and meet and talk. तो वो वैसा नहीं रहा, but I'm sure there must be a section of the industry of casting directors or who are just pretty shady. Never happened to me.
Yeah, that's true. Also, Mrinal, like, when you start your career in the television world, it becomes quite difficult to make a foot or like have a foothold in Bollywood.
Hmm.
You don't get Bollywood projects easily as
Hmm.
much, you somewhere like, there is this thing, okay, he's a TV actor. Of course, there are a lot of actors who have come to Bollywood also, but they have had their own difficulties.
Hmm.
Even Sushant Singh, for that matter, Sushant Singh Rajput, when he was in Bollywood, he also faced a lot of things and hardship and battles and all. So what are
Right.
your thoughts on that? Do you somewhere, like, what do you feel about this?
Um. Sorry, just repeat the question again.
Like, when an actor from the TV world comes
Oh,
to
okay. Okay,
Bollywood,
yeah.
it's not that
So,
easy.
see, for me, television, I was always picky with television.
Mhm.
Uh, the television I did was also, finite series, like 17, 18 episodes.
Hmm.
The two television series I did.
Hmm.
और उसके अलावा I didn't really do television. I did some episodics, yes. Which was also, I was always on the look to find something nice in television. वहाँ पर पीछे एक दौर आया था कि जब, before the web series and digital world media and all the platforms OTT came in, there was times when TV would have an one odd good show, you know.
Hmm.
एंड वो आ रहा था एक दौर जहाँ पर ऐसे शो बनने शुरू हो रहे थे, तो तभी आई ऑल्सो डिड अ सीरीज इन टेलीविजन. सो आई वाज ऑलवेज वेरी you know anyway picky on things, things which I would really want to do, and the format and the way TV serials are done didn't really excite me.
Hmm.
तो उसी में ही कर करके कुछ चीजें करके I used to do those things, but I think I was barely seen as a TV person. Somebody who's done a lot. I've been never overexposed on television, I think. तो वो था. um, so yeah, it was easy. It's easy to get work. If I think I've only got work from work and from actually auditioning for work, actually testing for things, and it's just been like that. It's just been pretty fair and square, or nothing has. come on a platter. Nothing has been given to me by a friend or somebody I know. So yeah, I mean that's the idea, to be considered to play parts which are good, which the sort of parts I would like to do.
Also, homosexuality in the country right now, of course, has taken a different you know sphere altogether, but still, even now, there are people who face a lot of threats, or a lot of they get completely like people ignore them, avoid them. So what are your thoughts on that when you're working on this project, and what do you have to say personally on this?
See, I think it's बहुत ही root level पे it starts. It's the conditioning all of us have been given. Most of the people have been given. That there would be very few parents who would really educate their kids about homosexuality. Talk about sex for that matter. So you know it's one extreme. These people are one extremes of such a situation where उनको पता ही नहीं है. They've not been educated, and they've developed so much of hate inside of them just because of total unawareness. Like they don't even know. So wahin par hai, like the conditioning, we need to talk more, just educate, just make it normal. Like it's just like a man and a woman. Have more such stories being told in the mainstream films, or mainstream cinema and things, which is happening. His story also, one of the good parts about his story was it reached people, it reached families who sat together and watched it. And yes, that's the idea, to just make it seem normal. And that's what the show also kind of talked about, and made it seem normal. Two men in love is just as normal as a man and a woman.
But how comfortable were you, like, doing, romantic scenes on screen and, while working on this project?
I mean, it's by the time you're on set, you're shooting the scene, it's not really me thinking. I will not trouble myself by thinking like Mrinal, who's a straight guy, and how can I kiss a guy? I cannot trouble myself as an actor. I that's the idea, to not think as myself and just think like the character and just do it as the character. और जो भी हिचकिचाहट या जो भी ऐसी momentary कुछ आती भी है, you just like do not let it slide in, and do not let Mrinal come over the character. So that's like killing somebody on screen also. Like I would not really kill somebody in real life. Like I would not come even close to it. But I have to, feel and then make believe that I'm going to kill this person. So वो actually में भी तो मैं मार नहीं रहा हूँ उसको. तो वो वैसा ही है. It's the character, it's I'm playing a part.
That's nice to hear. But also, Rinal, like as you said, like, playing a part was quite, that you were happy and all. But, it's not that easier to play that role. And, many people find it difficult. At the same time, there are a lot of restrictions we have on the internet nowadays. Like, you cannot do a certain role. There are certain restrictions coming, from the government, or like, even from our, film industry department and all. So what are your thoughts on that? What do you have to say on that? Do you somewhere feel that the art which we try to show, or which we try to express, through such films, such movies, such web series, somewhere is getting, a bit scattered?
I definitely do think so, that we should have the liberty to tell the kind of stories we want. And things out there in the world are really bitter, they're really nasty sometimes. So to be able to show that, we need that freedom. But again, having said that, to show that responsibly, to not start making things which actually need to be stopped and banned, which I think happens also. There are just a lot of apps which you and me are not even aware of, but a lot of stuff like that happens, which does need to be stopped, regulated. तो वैसा है, मतलब वैसी चीजें नहीं होनी चाहिए. बाकी कहानी, जिनको कहानी बनानी है, फिल्म्स बनानी है, उन लोगों को लिबर्टी होनी चाहिए कि रिस्पॉन्सिबली, if they're set out to tell something, so they should have the liberty to show and say what they want. I mean, yeah.
That's true. And how was your experience of working with Ekta Kapoor? Because she's known as the content arena of of the entertainment world. So how was your experience when you had started working with her?
it's always been good. I have worked with her before also, and yeah, it's been really nice. His stories received a lot of love, and it's been great. Like she's generous, and I mean, yeah, it's been great.
You recently revealed that you love to, go for skydiving a lot, but at the same time, you cannot stop your craving for chocolates. So how do you maintain your weight?
I am not eating chocolates these days.
No.
कोशिश कर रहा हूँ मैं,
Hmm.
because chocolates मैं बहुत खाता हूँ. मुझे chocolates is like my weakness, or meetha, just something sweet. I've got a major sweet tooth. But no, yeah, I've controlled it.
No, that's
Can't
not
have things.
clear. But like, as you're controlling your diet and all, but skydiving is something which you, of course, prefer. Does that make you
I
feel fit and all?
I don't know how that came out, yeah. To be really honest, वो किसी conversation में बाहर आ गया. But yeah, I skydived a few months back and it was amazing. So
Hmm.
these days I'm skating, like
Okay.
rollerblading. It's
Hmm.
fun. I just like outdoors. I just like sport. I just like yeah, adventure sport and all kinds of sport. Basically, the outdoors is my scene.
And before I let you go, what are your upcoming projects you're working on, Rina?
I cannot talk about them at the moment. I'm going to start shooting for something. So as and when I can, I will definitely tell you. But I'm going to start for something.
But there might be something which you can spill beans on.
It's just another series for a major OTT,
Okay.
and yeah, it's something really exciting. Is what I can tell you.
And what is in, on your wish list? What kind of projects you would like to work on, and what kind of films you would like to work on?
I want to work on every sort of thing. I want to do a film, a series, and everything. I've just started. I literally want to uh, dip my finger in, everything. So yes, I rather than thinking the kind of things I want to do, I am always very excited the kind of things that those are coming to me. So it's the other way around. I'm just like uh, very up and about, excited about what's happening and what's going to happen in terms of work.
Hmm.
Uh, Also because I enjoy the process of making, and from A to Z, all of it. Um, so yes, everything, like in every capacity.
That's nice. So, of course, Mrinal, like, this lockdown has been quite a different experience. So, what is the new thing you learned for yourself and, what you observed in you during this phase?
During the lockdown,
Yes.
there have been two actually. Last time around, I was in Bombay. I was all by myself. I did a lot of things at home. I actually shot some things also, um, short film, music videos. A lot of things happened. A lot of those things happened when I was in Bombay. This time,
Mm.
luckily, I was at home, and I think I'm very glad that I was at home. Right in the peak of the second wave from March to May or April to June. So yeah, and I was with my folks in Delhi. It was very nice. I mean, I am very okay staying and doing my thing. In fact, it's nicer sometimes because the running around stops. You're running around for work, running around for things, chores that you have to do in your day. Nothing. Everybody's just stationed put. You live in your home. Maybe go outside for a stroll, and that's all there. It cut down to the basic. I think I the idea of that is amazing,
Mm.
and maybe we humans we need to do a little bit of that. So I took it very gracefully. I'm very happy. I read. I spent time with my folks. I ate. I did yoga. I did all of those little things which I thought, you know, I will do, and just do them. So it was nice.
Also, like Rinal, what do you have to say about, this lockdown, of course, has been quite different and all. But like, what are your plans after this lockdown gets over? Like, what exactly are you planning personally for yourself?
Oh, see, I abhi to kaam hai. I'm gonna shoot, and once everything becomes better, I can't be greedy. I love to travel. I keep traveling. I'm very, thankful that right before 2020 March happened, the the pandemic start. I mean, in India it started. I was I happened to travel in January, and I went to Europe, and I got time out, and I was right after 2 months, things shut down. So I'm very excited to travel always, and I travel a lot. But I can't be greedy right now. थोड़ा अभी खुलेगा तब जाएंगे. I'll travel and yeah, move around a bit.
Rinal, thank you so much for your time. All the best for your projects, and I hope we interview you again once you're ready for your new projects and all. Thank you so much for your
Thank you
time.
so much, Amina. Thank you so much for your time.